2026, a star was born. Happy birthday, Mazi Simon EKPA, strong and fierce leader. March 21, we celebrate you, voice of the people shining through. Happy birthday, Mazi Simon EKPA, may your light keep blazing on from the rising sun of a brand new day. A leader stood to lead the way, courage in heart, fire in soul, standing firm, pursuing the goal through every season, bold and bright, speaking truth, defending right. Today we sing, today we cheer. The special day is finally here. Happy birthday, Mazi Simon EKPA, strong and fearless leader. March 21, we celebrate you, voice of the people shining through. Happy birthday, Mazi Simon EKPA, may your light keep blazing on. Blessings and strength, more wisdom too. Greater heights are waiting for you. Long life, good health, victory song. May your legacy live on. Simon, Simon, Simon EKPA, March 21, we hail you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Celebrate, celebrate. Happy birthday. Mazi Simon EKPA, March 21st, 2026. The PM's on check. All right, we are here to wish PM happy birthday. Today is his day. Although the jingle is not from me, it's from those who call themselves, you know what I mean. But today is his day, so nobody feels his birthday. His birthday is not general, so I just want to use the opportunity to wish him birthday, happy birthday to you, PM Simon EKPA, the man of the moment. Mejibuago, and the longer. You know, we are not here to work against anybody. That some people are not tagging. If you are not in line with what they're saying, they say that you're against PM. I'm not afraid of that because this is something that we have seen PM himself pass through it. But it's unfortunate that those who claim they're working for him or working with him are not paying attention to the challenges that PM actually faced. I'm happy that PM is PM because he's very, very unique, very, very, very unique human being, and always determined to do what he knows that is right. He is very, very strong. His will, his everything about him is spot on. And today he's there, March 21st. And I want you watching this video to make sure you go to the comment section and begin to wish him happy birthday. We maybe when we stream live, when we come live today, we will throw more light on his birthday. And then I would like to, by the time we must have seen how you guys wish him happy birthday on the comment section, and we're gonna open line for you to join us and say a word of prayer. I believe many other media will also do the same. So anywhere you see anybody open mic for him, PM Simon EKPA, please do us a favor and join him and support, wishing me just a word of prayer is enough. He is still, being incarcerated in Finland because of reckless of some people who claim they are the one in charge and they are the man, his spokesperson, they are the armor bearer that only them can have access to him and all that. But that's the story for another day. Like I always tell you, I don't want to mix information. I'm happy that PM is alive, and I wish him many, many, many more years ahead, many, many more years and freedom to him. Very, very important. So, having said that, we are going to go through other issue that actually, that has to do with us, issues that matter to us, issues that concerns us. Because I told us that this our brother you are seeing here, because I just put the picture and why he's such a, beside the PS picture, you are seeing it on the screen. Because of what happened in the past, we know how some people claim they are the one, to tell you who is alive and who is dead. Why some time ago claim the same thing. But before we go into that, I want you to like the video and share it on the platform of your choice. This is just almost 6 minutes to the program, and this is the best time to hit like button, share it on the platform of your choice, and of course, take your time and comment, happy birthday to PM. If you have another thing, you can comment. But basically, I want to see happy birthday to PM, all over the comment section here, so that people who claim that PM is nobody will know that PM is actually somebody that you cannot just take away. No. God will perfect it. God will grant him freedom, grant him access to freedom, freedom in every ramification. As he is seeking for our freedom, may God grant him freedom, and he will be free, whether the devil like it or not. This our brother here, some time ago, Lazuba came up with her propaganda that the guy is normal, that he went somewhere and something happened to him and all that. Today, the guy resurfaced, which I told us that I would like to know what Lazuba will say about it. And as God may have it, Lazuba is here. She has seen that news and she have also acted on it. So we are going to see her reaction, what she said, because she's coming back to eat her words. She would pretend never to say all those things before. Oh, Ngozi spied him. Oh, you guys spied him. Can't report. You can never report this. Can't report. Nah, the guy is back. Okay, he's back, and because of that, we will play the video, her reaction, and everything she said here. I have dragged the video to the point where she commented about the guy. Lazuba, you called me that I'm too soft because maybe you think that maybe because of my skin, you think I am I am maybe Indomie generation or something. I don't know. You need to understand something. Your shenanigan, your attack, your voodoos can only happen on somebody that have committed crime, like you always say. And you coming to attack somebody, you must make sure that your hands are very, very clean, that you have not done something wrong. All right? Anyway, I want us to pay attention to this. Very, very important. And don't forget to like the video, like I said. This is our first outing today, and I hope you will do us a favor by making sure you share this particular program and, of course, like it. No, take this guy. I want to that's how it's known. The lie that you told their friends or people, your followers on your platform, you claim that the guy that Ngozi bite him. Listen. I'm this guy. I'm back.
Welcome back to me. What I see, no be charge. Understand? Welcome back to me. I'm live. I'm alive. I'm back. Thank God. To all glory. Because they feel me. Understand? What I see, the pain is much. In the self is unbearable. But thank God they can only weaken the spirit. Sorry, they can only weaken the flesh, but not the spirit. One had to come down, Carlos. Nothing so. Wetin khaki men do me no be charge. Wetin khaki men do me no be charge. But thank God they go gold, nothing much. You feel me? So I'm back. Ọ bụ na ị bụ onye kweburu m nkwa ego before m si gị na mba na m achọrọ have it. Hold on. Ọ bụ na ị kweburu m nkwa ego before ọ kịta aka m needed the money. You feel me? Kịta aka m needed the money.
Hey, I'm back.
Obodo Freya. After na. Mama kwano ya kutakana akpa ngozi mommy. You see, when you follow somebody, make sure that you only know so. No, yeah, you just that person, no, if I call. Open all your zombies, colleague, Kirikana. No, God, don't have what you are one got on social media. Nobody talk about you. Oh, come on, I don't know, and they get DJ Wakuso. When you come back. Oh, come on, I don't know, and they get it. EJ make a caricature. When you come back. Echen na your mother yele to eat yes and have to go. I won't be able to eat it. Own a patahanya. Ukai kukundo kake is better than the modern day now. In the modern day now, if you are not a palango, pack your property and go inside. Pack your property and go inside and shut up. Those are the modern day. Was equal a for your life is still meant for you. The modern day, my brother, go inside. If you are going to social media, forget anything was right Biafra. Because when you say we and Roma. The only thing you know, money fee and they will say for any. Then what would be the most important now? And I thought I go down where's all thing.
And that's all to dress.
Create awareness, even a man buy. Forget it, Biafra, so can Biafra raw. Forget it, goes all about the fly, no raw. Forget your USB, your little terrorist gang group. Forget about it. Here we go to Biafra. You're written here, Biafra, or let us sky, we all could Biafra, because when I hear what anybody, well, I hear what nobody is using Biafra for now. Or what are you Nigeria Biafra? Or what office in Madden up a second land for Biafra?
Negative. We are coming back to talk about it. Just negative.
You know, I'm about office, go to second hand, second hand about office. DJ Macabiafra, no way to lose what you was when you want to go, no shit. I am the Oku Biafra name. Until the Chile Mazaye Bele Ogusia. My name is support to Onya, a waste of time. Sales scam. The only thing I do is focus on but not because I'm on here, the only thing you know, I need because they belong. And then the ground dog, yeah, I want to go get it. If we are not getting a so mature and the check in the canco.
And I know what.
And I even now what. And they then met up with another time. Him and a big codicate. Can you on the mother about a big codicate? Because someone that's a big codicate in a group yet. Keep a boy ought. Yes. She just would go back up and goes all a base and now work together. Because every information about you, you will be getting information about you. By EKPA, I am only one that they when you do 1 million, so 1 million, so 1 million, can go to a base with the 1 million.
Now listen, I decided to allow her to go to this extent. Before I say anything, in case you have forgotten, So for you to know where the problem comes from.
Nobody, no more. If Obata didn't bring this Biafra, no one forget here about it. Anybody on the Golodu, send us Biafra, super Biafra, I will be a saboteur to that person. I will be a sabo, 100% sabo to that person. Look at you.
So are you still wondering why she's advising that our brother to stop talking about Biafra? Don't go there. After telling the whole world, her followers, that this guy has been murdered. Also, you never could dike gwaria, ebe kodike. Kedu ife gị na-ebe kwuo na akpalu maketa. The same ebe kodike you are accusing Maazị Akwa na Maazị Aka is working with ebe kodike. I don't believe that. As long as it comes from you, why Herod? As long as that is you just voice it out from your mouth, I will cross-check it 1,000,000 times. So now you can see the reason why she's advising this guy to stop even talking about Biafra. So stay away from anything Biafra. But even if you want to talk about it, you have to come and talk like me. There's nobody is now leading. Nobody is going to any office for anything. All these things boils to what she just said here, that she will be a sabo to anybody.
Never. Nobody. No more. If Obata didn't bring this Biafra, no one forget here about it. Anybody on the Golodu, send us Biafra, super Biafra, I will be a saboteur to that person.
That is why she's telling you, she's telling this guy, forget about it. No, to maintain this her assignment, that she will be a sabo. That's what she said.
I will be a sabo, 100% sabo.
You can are you still looking for why she's standing that way? Are you still looking for the reason why she's standing that way? I don't think you are, because you are not dumb. So I believe you are smart, and I believe this goes to everybody. Okay, not only to this guy. Listen. The issue of Ngozi did not bring 1 million. You know, one thing about, although she knows those things, but she have to use it to run propaganda because she want to be a sabo. To be a sabo is to start with propaganda, to use her platform, line that this thing that is white is not white, that this thing that is black is not black. That is the work of saboteur, and then more start to criticize anything genuine that they don't want that to forge ahead. The best way to do it is criticize it and rubbish it as if that thing does not actually matter. Do you understand it now? That's a very big problem. A very, very big problem to her and her followers. What we are doing here is to clear the road for you to move forward, to clear you, to understand why she's doing what she's doing. Nothing more. I can ignore her stupidity. She'll keep on swimming in that. It's none of my business. But for the sake of those who may be trapped, we are here to rescue you. Nothing more. Nobody informed DPM about this 1 million naira to bet this guy. DPM may not have even received any intel. There's somebody that had an accident in Homeland. That accident is quite huge. And somebody shared the picture. I saw the picture. I was like, who is this person? What happened to the person? They said that they are Nigerian army. Just like the way they captured this guy. They tortured this our brother to the extent that his nail, his leg started decaying. Like, even after releasing the guy, if I bring the picture here, they will close my platform. It is so terrible that even some people cannot even like see it. It can't behold it. It is quite terrible. This our brother cannot walk. Not that he went for any operation or any attack. No, he was traveling according to the story. The way they stop this guy, they torture the guy to listen that his legs cannot be used. Do you know that I shared this to somebody? The person passed the message to cabinet in the USB government. As I'm talking to you, the guy is receiving treatment. They have spent not less than, I don't know if they have paid everything, because the charges from hospital, according to the guy, is taking 2 million or 2 point something million. They have paid, to best of my knowledge, and you know me, I don't want to add anything. They have paid to the guy 1.8. Oh, they have paid that. The one that I'm sure is 800, because that is the deposit that the hospital requested. They are paid 800, but the bill is running around 2 million. Deposit is 800,000. The one that I know, that I have seen the receipt. The person in question is not Biafran Liberation Army, like a squad, the one we work with USB government. He is not. The person has never broadcast in favor of USB government. But as long as you're a Biafran and you did not go to steal, you did not go to commit crime, and you have issue, once the CS DPM receive that message, they will come for your rescue. Until this our brother, until he made it clear that he requested or he sought for information for help, and nobody helped him, then we now have something to say. But this woman, we always use everything to run propaganda. Oya na-enye nri n'ọnụ ka ọ dara ịkpọpụta nso ka enwe ike feed ya. Meaning, it is your duty who are in need to ask for help. Do you understand? As I am now, if I have headache, if I do not tell you that I'm having headache, will you know that I'm having headache? You will not know. You will not know. Tell this woman, although she don't, one thing about her own level of saboteur is that they don't know what is called honor or integrity. No, it is not in the dictionary. Here. Liar. Liar.
But look at you. About the need of quiet like this, even that guy put on him.
What was the Gabia Bones?
Only set to your bread. Only set to your bread. Because it was a easy, do you know, Mamma, I'm winning and Macabifina so. So Adam happy forget Potana.
Or does it mean you saw not as so? You to work about why I heard.
Adam happy for we forgot Potana. Let me tell you something.
Oh man, what you gonna want him?
Oh, they support all one okay, one way they mean I should shine the one anything. Or we need to make it enough, or see make it enough, or we need a so she could see so we need a watch to see watch.
He watch do no, don't want to watch none of them. You don't watch. On the Galapata man never gave. How about that? It be free. No, you're not. Negative.
So if you want to get what they when you also because they did belong, did belong, and all gonna found the watch.
Can you imagine?
Everybody can watch and the other one is the other one go look from Gozo like go to flying, or go buy it go from her.
So are you hearing it now? So if this guy is no longer talking about USB government, he's not talking for Obie, and you have the audacity to start questioning USB government to, they couldn't afford this. Obie, I don't know between Obie and Blaze who's in charge of your factory, because it seems like you cannot do without Obie. Of course, Blaze may be the one forcing himself on you. Because when he can't for self, he himself actually need help. Listen.
town, never go to get a piece again. No one will be back. Never go to get it now. Macana, I don't call a from Tiger Base. Also, no, I'm ever go to get a no young about message you send him was some jebba, no to window pilot. Na nepatago. Nine and mail back up because of one. And answer what the only you and my problem. I don't even know Chime came out that I use my platform and create awareness easily.
Awareness, he created awareness just to attack and destroy USB government. Knowing for a fact that there's no connection. There's no connection. But to you, I beg you conclude, so a stamp. Not do now.
So my platform on any warning is better when you follow your family. Just keep one side. Am I in the terrorists gonna take over our land? Use your platform and create awareness. Obviously,
Can awareness in a great? Can awareness in a great? Apart from propaganda, to build yourself in a negative way. That's all. What is that propaganda? Anyway, my people, I have to end it here. Please make sure you like the video and tell me what you understand from this side of high stupidity. And don't forget to wish PM a happy birthday. Today is his birthday, and we are going to celebrate it, like always. So when we come back, join us as we collaborate with other programs. Like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Good morning to you. Bye-bye for now.